This AI influencer makes $10,000 every single month promoting products. And the craziest part is, she's not even real. No cameras, no filming videos, and no paid ads. What's blowing my mind right now is that people are building entire faceless marketing businesses with AI influencers, and most people still have no idea this is happening. And the amazing part is that anyone can do this. Check this out.
This combination of 8 essential amino acids gives your body the building blocks to make all the protein it needs so you can feel fitter, stronger, and younger. The average person loses 30% of their muscle mass by the time they're 70. But it doesn't have to happen to you.
Cool, right? Which is why in this video, I'm going to break down the exact system behind this, how you can create an AI influencer people actually follow, how you can make your content spread, connect it to your affiliate product like that on Digistore24 in a way that can generate commissions on autopilot. Let's get into it. Now, before we get into how to create these AI influencers, you need to understand why this works so well for affiliate marketing like Digistore24 in the first place. First of all, people trust personalities more than links. AI influencers create familiarity at scale, and familiarity build clicks. Digistore24 products convert well when trust exists. But none of that matters if your AI influencer looks generic, and that's where most people fail. Now, when leveraging this particular business model, your entire affiliate business is built on one thing: the character. And bad AI character equals to forgettable content, but strong AI character equals to recognizable digital brand, meaning that people can easily recognize your content the moment they see your AI influencer. Now, let me show you how you can do this completely free. The first thing you want to do is create your character. For this, I'm using ChatGPT. You can actually use any much more sophisticated tool that you prefer. However, because we're keeping everything free, I'm leveraging ChatGPT because ChatGPT also still does kind of a good work creating images. So I'm saying, hi ChatGPT, I would like to create an AI influencer that is going to help me promote my affiliate product. Now, you already need to have the features of the AI character that you want to create. These features are kind of what will make your character stand out, give it its originality and that visual memorability. So I'm saying now this AI influencer needs to be in her mid-20s. You could go for mid-30s, mid-40s, mid-50s. It depends on you. I'm saying she should be Black American with mid features. I'm using mid features because I do not want that overly airbrush kind of look that makes it look overly, fake and less natural. So I'm saying mid features, but she should be hyper realistic looking. So every part of her face, you need to be able to see her pores. You need to really see the realisticness of her skin, not airbrushed, and she should be on scrubs, more like giving the health sector vibes. You just want to explain to ChatGPT the best way you know how to, and ChatGPT has gone ahead to give me this image. I really like it, and if we should have a deeper look at it, you can see like the pores on her face. You can see her skin here. You can tell that she has this real skin feel, and that is exactly what I want. So now that I have my character ready, this is my unique niche match appearance. I used scrubs because I want to leverage the health sector niche, so that will give it that originality twist, visual memorability. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go get my product ready, and for this I'm going to be using Digistore24. I'm heading over to the marketplace and I'm going to pick a product. At this point, if you already have a product in mind, that's completely fine, but you want to go ahead and pick a product based on your niche. So first I'm going with the health niche. I would like to pick a product that it's already kind of doing well, and as well the product is something that people would actually want to buy. So for example, or for the purpose of this video, I'm going with this amino acid formula. And you don't just want to pick any random product that you see. First of all, you can see that it has a really good commission that you get per sale, so you're going to receive about $70. It also has kind of a good cart conversion rate. And the next thing you want to do is you want to check the sales page. You just want to be double sure that when people land on the sales page, it's going to be converting enough. So this is the sales page, and you can see here it says, I feel like my muscles are waking up and working. The combination of 8 essential amino acids gives your body the building blocks to make up the proteins it needs so you can feel fitter, stronger, and younger. And you can see all that it does here. which is a really good feature of a sales page. One should be able to tell exactly what it does, what it contains here, and you can see all that here. So I've gone through this, and it's actually something that is a good product to promote. After that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'll head into the affiliate support page. The purpose of heading into the affiliate support page is for me to be able to actually see pictures of these products. Now, do note this particular product is a physical product. Now, this is the affiliate support page, and this is where you're going to get your links. This is where you're going to get like any affiliate support they are trying to give. But what we are after here is pictures. So I'm going to scroll down, and under graphics, I'm going to try to look for like a plane of this particular formula, which is more like a supplement. So this is what I need. This is kind of thing I need, and I'm going to go ahead and save this image. Now, once that is saved, I'm heading again into ChatGPT. Here, I created a new chat. I attached the product here, as well as the image that I already downloaded from what ChatGPT gave earlier. And I'm saying I want the lady attached to hold the advanced amino formula drug attached. And here we have this same lady, but this time she's holding the product, which is super good, super clean, no distortion, looks 100% real. Now, this is already like a content in itself. You can upload this, but now we want to create even much more interactive content, like creating engaging videos where the AI influencer kind of talks about the product. Now, for this, you can actually leverage several tools out there, but for this, I'm going to be leveraging Google Flow. With Google Flow, you're actually giving free AI credits daily. So you have about 150 AI credits every day. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and make sure this is selected as video. After which I'm going to impute like the frames, and I'll select to 9:16. Why? Because the idea is to create short form content. These AI influencers, it is best to leverage them when you're doing short form content. So I'm going to leave it at 9:16. I'll leave it at just 1 to be generated. And here is where you're going to put the start image and the end image. So you want to show how the image will start and how it's going to end. So the way I'm going to do it is going to start with her normal picture we downloaded from ChatGPT, and it's going to end with her holding the product up. So now we have this like so. I can then add like a voice. So to do that, I'll make sure this is on ingredients because I want to add more things. And then I'm going to go to voice. Under voice, I can select whichever voice that I choose. I can always play it here just to hear how the voice is going to sound.
What sparks your interest? What kind of project are you thinking of? What kind of masterpiece are we aiming for? Ready to make something amazing?
So I've applied a voice that I prefer. You can see the voice attached here. Then I'm going to say, the lady should walk slowly and say. Then I can attach what I want the lady to say. For this, I can easily just go to the sales page of the product and just pick something really unique that is said about the product. For example, this combination of 8 amino acid, blah, blah, blah. Head over here, paste it here, and then I'm going to click generate. So the video has finished generating, and here's how the video looks like.
This combination of 8 essential amino acids gives your body the building blocks to make all the protein it needs so you can feel fitter, stronger, and younger.
Really, really, really cool. Really amazing. And you can see just the way we prompted it. We wanted her to walk slowly and say a specific thing. And the AI actually did it while holding that product. So anybody who watches that video can already tell that you're promoting a certain product, and it helps to build trust better. The video may seem a bit short, but you can actually choose to extend it. To do that, you can also type something here. Maybe I can say again for her to then say something. So I can say a close-up shot of the lady saying. I go back to this particular sales page and I just pick something else that it helps to do. I can copy that, go here again, paste it here, and go ahead and generate. And what it's going to do is it's going to extend from this video and make it a bit longer. And here is the result of that.
This combination of 8 essential amino acids gives your body the building blocks to make all the protein it needs so you can feel fitter, stronger, and younger. The average person loses 30% of their muscle mass by the time they're 70. But it doesn't have to happen to you.
Super amazing, right? And we were able to do this completely free using absolutely free tools. Now, this particular business model is not just for Digistore24 products. You could also apply it to other affiliate products like Amazon affiliate products. Now, if you want me to create a video on how you can create AI influencers and interactive videos like this one for Amazon products, comment the word Amazon in the comment section. And if I get enough comments on that, I'm going to create a video step by step on how you can do that. So the good thing is you already created your AI influencer. You already have the image of the product that you are trying to promote. Now, all you need to do is try to create varied styles and varied talking points. Now, once your character is locked in and your video creation process is locked in, the actual content workflow becomes ridiculously simple. You only need 3 tools and about 2 to 3 hours to build your first page. Now, the first thing is you want to find a lot of content inspiration. For the purpose of the video, I just easily took like a little bit of text from the sales page just to show you how it works. But when you are creating content that you want people to actually click on your affiliate link, you need to be able to create content from the angle of the existing pain point of your target audience. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this particular link and I'm going to head into Claude AI. In Claude AI, I'm going to ask Claude to study the page based on the link that I'm going to share with it. So now I'm saying to Claude, I said, I'm trying to promote an affiliate product from Digistore24. The product is Advanced Amino Formula. Below is the link to the sales page, and I attached the link here. Now I'm trying to create short form content that appeals to the pain point of my target audience. I want you to study the sales page and give me 1, who my target audience is. 2, 20 different pain point hook angles that I can use for my short form reel content. 3, 20 different video scripts for each pain point to use in creating my short form content. And then I'm going to hit enter. Now, Claude has gone into the sales page to study it and has given everything a comprehensive interactive reference tool. You can see the target audience, adults 45 to 70 plus, active seniors, weekend warriors, busy professional. These are all the target audience that would possibly need this product. This is good to know so that you know who exactly you are talking to. Now, this part is super important because just because you can create an AI influencer doesn't mean that that exactly is going to convert into sales. The reason people actually buy is because they feel like what you are promoting is going to be of benefit to them, that what you are promoting is going to provide solution to a specific problem that they have. And now, because we've asked Claude to give us unique pain points for this that we can use in creating content, you can see the first one. You're not tired because of age, you're tired because your cells are starving for this one thing. You can see another one here. Men and women over 50 lose 1 to 2% of their muscle every single year. So if you are speaking to someone over 50 and you use this pain point, you have already gotten their attention. And you can see here, we can click any of this hook to see their script. So when I click on this, this is the full script. So after you create your script like this, the third thing is to be able to generate content, which I've already shown you how to do with Google Flow. So you're not showing your face, you're not coming in front of camera, you're not physically holding the product. AI is literally doing the back end work for you. Now, once you have created all your content using this Claude AI to generate the scripts, using Google Flow to generate the videos, the next step is for you to start uploading them. And typically you can upload these videos on like platforms that encourage short form content like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, as well as Facebook. However, one place that is going to be a very good platform to promote content like this, especially when you are doing health niche for seniors, older people, people over 50, is leveraging Facebook. Now, once you have set up your Facebook page and you start posting, here's what nobody tells you about getting those pages to grow. Virality is process, not luck. You need to impute repetition, volume, quality standard, and pattern recognition in your videos to actually get much more retention and much more returning viewers on your videos. Most people just post AI slops and wonder why nobody actually clicks. Because it's not just about the posting of the videos, it's about trying to solve a problem. So once you upload your videos, you want to make sure that you head into Digistore24 and get your affiliate link. This is the link that you are going to be promoting on your video. So you can add this to your bio page on your Facebook page. You can also add this to every of the posts that you create, the post description, as well as the comment sections. So when people watch the video and they click your affiliate link, it's going to take them straight to this sales page where they can go ahead and purchase the product. And for every product that is purchased, you earn a commission. Now, once you start seeing commission, that means that page is working. And what you want to do is you want to double down. What a lot of people simply do is they immediately pivot, trying to create more pages and do so many things all at the same time, thereby killing the efficiency of growth that they could have put into that one sales page. Instead, you want to double down. You can then invest in paying for like the pro plan of this AI tool, just so that you can be able to create longer videos or more videos instead of just sticking with the credits per day, and push out more content. So the more content, the more volume, the more possibility of reaching newer people, and the more chances of making more sales and more commissions. Now, if you're actually new to digital affiliate marketing and you don't really know how it works or how you can get started with this, I have a video that helps put you through step by step on how to do that. So click that video you see on your screen right now to check that out.